Hi everyone, have you ever lost important files and didn't back them up? Or maybe your phone suddenly broke and you couldn't access your photos and documents. Today, I'm introducing a powerful and reliable data recovery software that helps you recover lost data from almost any situation. Syncios Savior supports a wide range of scenarios, whether it's accidental deletion, formatting, system crashes, or even virus attacks. This software has you covered. It can also recover over 1,000 different file formats, including photos, videos, documents, emails, and much more. Plus, it supports more than 2,000 storage devices like hard drives, USB sticks, memory cards, and digital cameras. Most importantly, it uses non-destructive recovery technology, so your original data stays completely safe during the process. You can easily preview files before recovering them and choose between quick scan or deep scan modes depending on your needs. The user-friendly interface makes the whole process simple, even if you're not tech-savvy. Now let me take you through how to use Syncios Savior. Download it first. The download link is in the description and comment section. When your computer's partition gets damaged and data is lost, partition recovery is an ideal choice. Step 1. Select a partition to scan. Step 2. Deep scanning partition data. Once the scan wraps up, a notification pops up, and your files are categorized neatly. Step 3. Select files to recover from partition. Scan results are organized by catalog. Alternatively, switch to type sorting: camera, image, document, audio, video, archive, program, and others to locate your files by type. Step 4. Preview files before recovery. This ensures you recover exactly what you need. Before recovery, click the directory button to pick a safe spot. Step 5. Check the recovered files on PC. Ensure they're intact, accurate, and damage-free. If you lost files on a USB, SD card, or external drive, don't use it anymore either. The more you use it, the higher the chance new stuff will overwrite your lost files. Step 1. Select an external drive to scan. Step 2. Deep scanning it. Step 3. Select files to recover. Once the scan is done, tick off the files you need recover from catalog or type. Step 4. Start recovering data. When it's done, check the recovered files on PC. Hard drive recovery comes in handy when your entire hard drive is in distress or you've lost precious data. This process entails a thorough scan and analysis of the entire drive, capable of reviving data from all partitions. Step 1. Select a disk to scan. Step 2. Select files to recover from disk. After finding the files you need, simply tick the boxes and click Recovery Now to kickstart the data retrieval. Step 3. Check the recovered files. The data will pop up in the folder you designated, and the original file paths will also be preserved. That's it. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use data recovery tool, give Syncios Savior a try. The download link is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tech tips.